Hello students, you all are familiar with common terms like triangle, square, cube, cuboid, etc. These are examples of geometrical figures. To make these geometrical figures, we need to know some basic elements. In this video, we will learn some basic elements of geometry. Point. A point is the smallest shape in geometry. We can understand this by making a dot using a sharp pencil on a paper. It has no length, breadth and thickness. A point indicates a position and can be used to point a particular location. It is named by a capital letter of English alphabet. This is point P. Line. A line is a collection of points which can be extended endlessly on both sides. A line is represented by arrowheads on both sides to show that it can be extended on both sides. A line has no endpoints and it has no fixed length. Line can be of different types. Let us see the kind of straight lines. Horizontal straight line, vertical straight line, slanting straight line. The first type of straight line is horizontal line. Horizontal lines are also called sleeping lines. The second type of straight line is vertical lines. Standing lines are also called vertical lines. The third type of straight line is slanting lines. Slanting lines look like a slope and they go both up and down. Curved lines. Curved lines are drawn by moving a pencil freehand. This type of lines are not straight. Curved lines are used to draw circles and oval shapes. Line segment. A line segment is a part of a line that is bounded by two distinct endpoints. It has a definite length and is marked by two endpoints. Here, A and B are the two endpoints of the line segment, AB. Ray. A ray is also a part of a line which has only one endpoint and can be extended endlessly in one direction. It cannot be measured. This is the symbol of ray. A ray is represented by AB. It shows A is a fixed point and B is a point on the path of the ray. Students, hope you have understood. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section or in the class. I will be happy to help you. The second part of this chapter will be uploaded in the next video.